Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Analysis YouTube channel. In this video, we will tell you about a project that we did for a client where we had to do grouping CPQ product families with PDF Butler. This is the client's requirement. The client wanted to group product families with the help of a PDF Butler. Introduction to PDF Butler and SOQL queries. PDF Butler is built with omnichannel in mind and centralizes the creation of electronic documents so your customers get the same experience from every channel. SOQL stands for Salesforce Object Query Language. You can use SOQL to read information stored in your organization's database. SOQL is syntactically similar to SQL, Structured Query Language. Following are the steps for grouping product families with PDF Butler. Step 1. Click App Launcher and go to the code. Step 2. Click the edit lines. Step 3. Make sure to include the necessary configuration in PDF Butler through SOQL queries. Step 4. Select the products with different product families. Step 5. Now generate the Butler document. You can see that products are grouped by their respective families. Now let's move to the demonstration part. First, open CPQ in Salesforce, then click on the quote. Open a quote you want, then click on the edit lines. Select the products from different families by just clicking Add Products. I have already edited the product for demonstration part. Now you only have to click on Save. Now scroll down. Here you can see CPQ filter in the Butler document, which I created earlier. I will now click on the PDF. As you can see, now products are grouped according to their respective families. For the hardware, it is grouped separately, and for the software, it is grouped separately according to the product families and others too. That's all for the video. If you are looking for a Salesforce expert who have in-depth knowledge of CPQ, then you're at the right place. Our experts at Cloud Analogy excel in all kinds of Salesforce services, from data integration to data migration. Contact us now to create a seamless flow in your business as per your requirements.